Okay, I should be live. Let's put music. What should we put? I guess we'll put liked. I wonder if you could see that. No, wrong thing. Let's put, no, also wrong thing. Nope. Huh. Oh, it doesn't do this. Oh, okay. This guy right here. Okay. Does that grab everything? No. Okay, so I'm gonna try to stream as much as possible. This might be a little bit harder for me because I moved. But maybe in 2 weeks I could get more consistent with it. Okay. So let me start my project. Let me explain my project. So I actually have it online, or if anyone wants to see it. It's I'm gonna put the link in the chat. So if you go, let's see. So I have it live and in production. I'm using Vercel to deploy it. Let me show you. So this is my app currently. Let's see. Let's make this bigger. How do I make this bigger? How do I increase? So can you guys see that or no? It does that. Okay, so you could see it if it's this way. Okay, so you could see the login. Okay, just doesn't look clear. So if you go here, if you type Japanese resource, let me put this in. Let's see, what is this? Chat identity. What is this? So if you put that in, you will get my site. Currently it doesn't have too much. I'm kind of in the process of fixing it. So if I click here, that doesn't let me vote because I have to log in. So if you go here, these are things that I have to fix, but I'm kind of in the process of fixing it. I'm also I have bugs that I have to fix. So I kind of have to write them down. So you can see that I kind of logged in. I have an avatar there. Once again, another thing I have to fix. So if I click this, I could vote. Okay, I already voted on that. So the reason it's doing this right here is because, and this I want to see if I get fixed, and I'm gonna see if I could fix it today, or just see when I can fix it. The reason you saw that big jump was because I have my data. Actually, I can show you. So this is kind of the basic concept of this site. Event. I'm gonna try to fix it. Today is April. I'm gonna see how many bugs I could fix. Yeah, let me see how many bugs I could fix, how many resources I could add. I could try to fix the design. I want to add new features. And I'll see where I go from there. But I have to kind of see what I'm kind of trying to do with this site. I have a sense of what I'm trying to do, but I need to keep getting more specific. So right now, anyway, so if you saw before, if you saw before it was a 2, the reason it's doing that, if I show you VS Code, so this is my code right here. The reason it's doing that is, so I'm using Next.js. So Next.js is server-side React. So the reason it's doing that is because I have a function here, and I thought I could do it a different way. So I have GetStaticProp. So what's going on here? It's getting the static prop, but it's just serving that initially. So it's the GetStaticProp is functioning as intended, but I think it's just giving me old data. So when I refresh, it doesn't give me new data. So I wonder, so I did this yesterday, I didn't test it. Let's see. I didn't test it. So I'm gonna try to see, let's see. So I'm gonna push up this fix, and did I test this fix yesterday? I think I did. I'm just gonna push it up anyway. So where is my source tree? Why is that? So currently I don't save. Currently I have source tree open. I can also do in the command line too, but I wonder if I should capture this as well. Window capture, add source. Let's see, source tree. Add source tree. Okay. So I have this here. I guess I'm just gonna put it. Where is a spot that doesn't really bother? I'm just gonna put it here, and then so okay, so the only thing I did really was I added a revalidate to get static props. So I don't think this is gonna fix. So what I want to do is anytime I refresh, I get new data. But I also want to get I want to deliver my data statically. So so let's see if this works. I don't think it's going to. This is kind of just to get it better. Gets that set get static props to revalidate. Okay, so let's see let's see if that will, I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm trying to make it, if it makes it better, because I think to get this working, it's gonna take me more time than I want to put in it right now. So let's see. Let me show you my browser. VSCode. So this is Vercel. Vercel is kind of like, you know, Heroku, or any of those sites that you could kind of deploy on. So Vercel, the beauty of Vercel, it's simple. So if you're kind of new to deployments, it's a lot easier. And I am somewhat new to deploying on my own. So okay, so this is building. Did it finish? No. Lambda server-side render at runtime. Get static prop. Get server-side props. Get server-side props. Get automatically get static props. Automatically generate static HTML plus JSON using GetStaticProp. Increment static. Okay. So this is complete. And let me just check it. Okay, so that's good. Okay. I wonder how it does this. So this is good. So let's see if I push it to production. The reason I'm pushing it to production is because for the Google login, my login doesn't work if it's not in production. It only works locally and on production. Currently, I could probably get it to work, but that's not how I have it set up yet. But I probably should be able to eventually not have to do this, because this is not the ideal way. Okay, let's see. So I don't think it's done yet. I don't know if I'm getting sick or not, because like I'm like sniffling. Trace next service deploying build output. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I could see it. So if I click, no, that's not what I want. I want to see environment production. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So this. Okay. So. Okay. So. So I can't vote on this. Oh, I could vote on that. And it updated. But can I do it again? And again. Okay. This is another problem that I have. Okay. So if I refresh, is it gonna give me? Yeah, it gives me the old version. Damn. And then I gotta see MongoDB. Window. Why can't you guys see my VSCode? Okay, VSCode. So I gotta see. So Andre Mongo. Okay. I'm gonna actually see the database to see what's actually going on. Let's see. So, so the VS Code window capture browser. Okay. So what's going on here is it is in 13, but I have too many things open. Way too many things. Okay. But when I refresh, okay, so it did work, but so this is a temporary solution, and it's better than what it was before, but I don't think it's gonna work in the end. Okay, but let me put different music. Huh? What is this? Oh, it's in full screen. Don't I have this is a good song. I already have an account. I don't get this. Why are you doing this? Get recommendations. No. Okay. Okay. So let's see what problems I can fix. What time is it? Let's see. Let me set up my day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll work till 5. Let's see. So I have another issue too. I have to get something to track these issues. So my other issue, and I could show you the issue here. Let's make this bigger. form. Switch to screen. Okay. So my other issue is so my other issue that I have is if I show you my MongoDB, if you go to users, what's going on here is the way I'm handling adding resources is every time you add the resource, you push that resource onto the user. So it kind of gives the user ID onto the user. So it kind of gives me a way to track if you voted. The only thing is, I have, you could push it if it's already there. You could push it again. So I don't want that. I want to have it where you can only push it once. So let's see. I have, so let's see. So I have these are my resolvers. So so DB users, is this it? Push resources, resource. Okay, so this is it. Let me just check. Okay, I'm in dev. Okay, I'm not in master. db.users.update1. So I think I'm pretty sure. What is it? Let's see. Good. What is these songs? Okay, so Okay, so oh, this isn't even centered actually. I see. I thought it's a little off. Huh. Yeah, I can fix that. Okay. Uh. Trying to fix my webcam. Kind of dumb right now. Uh, uh, okay, that's the best I'm gonna get it. Let's see. Yeah, that's the best I'm gonna get it. So, so what I'm trying to do right now is, if anyone was watching, in my MongoDB, I guess I could just show it again. Browser, uh, uh, so I have the way my site works. The way my site works is I have user authentication, and then the user authentication, when it votes on something, it sends the ID of what you voted for to your account. So the reason I do that is because I want to keep track of what you voted for, and eventually I want to make features where when you go to your user page, you get to see. I don't have this yet, but when you get to your user page, you could see everything that you voted, and then you could do stuff with that. What do I mean do stuff with that? Maybe you want to send all the resources you voted to a friend, or I don't know, anything that you could think of. This my computer is kind of being dumb. Whatever. I just gotta deal with that. Anyway, so my problem here that I'm trying to solve is and I was gonna solve it before, but I just didn't want to. The code, it was working, so I just didn't want to touch it. But this right here, this is what's causing my issue. So, so this is my resolver for so when you vote, so this is my increment resolver. So every time, and also I might have to fix my increment resolver too, because it increments, it allows you to increment on the initial vote more than once. So that's not what I want. So I actually fixed this before, but I didn't wanna push it up. So let's see if I could find a commit, or I could find maybe how would I find this? Okay. Set up new user. Probably wasn't that. Was it this? No. This is. I have to look. Set up user ID when we're. Update TypeScript set for build. Maybe I didn't add it. I wonder if I committed it. Okay, so I don't think I don't think I committed it. And that's okay. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna find what is it? MongoDB only update if set on insert. Let's see. Only set value if document is being inserted. Only update if only update only if doesn't exist. Okay. I think this is what I want. Let's see. You can add a query to your update statement. What is a update here? Okay, so set on insert. Okay, maybe that's what I need. Okay, if an update operation with extra true results in insert. Huh? Insert true. Huh? if an update operation with update true. Update. Let me see. How to insert field if it doesn't exist. Okay, I'm trying to insert a field in every document. Okay. How do you update all? Okay. Okay, how do I do this? I had this before. How can you... add to set neutral. You can add to set. Add to set. Okay, maybe this is what I want. The add to add the value to an array unless the value is already present. Oh, okay. I think that's what I want. Add to set. Push. ID 1 color. Okay, so I think instead of push, I could do add to set. Okay, so what we're gonna do is add to set. Okay, no. Add to set. Okay, we're going to run this. For some reason my computer's being slow. I'm being run dev. Okay, we're gonna run this. We are going to delete everything in the user. Actually I could do this a different way. I could do this two ways. I have a Mongo extension which I could just do it through that, but I might just do it like this because I'm testing it more directly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Mongo. I'm just going to delete these resources. These resources are for my username. Okay, I'm just gonna delete everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and maybe this solves my double clicking issue, double voting issue. Update. Okay, so so let's go back to VS Code. So I just gotta have to wait until this runs, and then I'm gonna run it locally, test if it works, and if it works, I will push that up to dev. Just gotta wait, and then that'll fix one problem. I'm getting skipped frames. I wonder why. Yeah, a lot of my frames are skipping. Your stream is experiencing issues. Damn. That sucks. Yeah, my computer has been slow. Oh. What can I do to fix this? Okay. This is taking so long. Everything's slow. I am still waiting. I guess I can make this taller. You guys see it from there? Okay, so if I put it all the way up here. So yeah, I'm still waiting. My thing keeps. have too much